Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video let's learn about how to redeem GameStop gift card. So let's get started. At first let's get into any browser and search for GameStop gift card. Now click on this first website over here. Now we can see GameStop gift card written over here. You can choose any amount and you can choose digital or physical from here, and you can choose the design of your gift card as well. Now enter the recipient name and recipient email address. Now enter the sender name, that is your name, and you can add the message and it's optional. Now simply click on add to cart. Now click on card over here. Here we can see the selected items are the gift cards. Now simply click on proceed to checkout. Here we need to enter the card number, expiration date, first name, last name, all the details required for the credit card. Once we are done, click on save and continue and click on place order. After which the gift card will be redeemed. So this is it. This is how we can redeem GameStop gift card. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe.